So unfortunately I don't really know how to start this video. First I'll just say that I know it's been a while since I put out a video. Unfortunately, at the end of my last trip, my camera ended up in the river and it had to get sent away to get fixed, and it was only supposed to take a week, but it ended up taking longer than that because they couldn't find the parts. Unfortunately today on the access road to get back in here, I was the first person on the scene of an accident where a vehicle had left the road. There was a person trapped inside the vehicle, and luckily I had my GPS and I had one bar of cell service, so I was able to call the emergency services. Unfortunately, we're in a very remote place and it took a while for the emergency services to arrive, and that person sadly passed away before they could get here. Unfortunately, there was just nothing I could do apart from do what I did, which is contact the emergency services and just keep the person So after being on the scene there and obviously giving my statement and everything to the police and things like that, I got in here a lot later than I originally planned on. Luckily, I was able to get this campsite that's just off the trail, off the portage. I was originally going to bring the canoe and paddle out, but it's a bit late in the day for that. I can't get out of here because the road is blocked, and it probably will be for a couple of hours whilst they try and recover the vehicle. So the plan is to stay the night and cook up some food. Somebody very kindly left some firewood here, so that's my plan. So if this video is a little shorter than normal and doesn't contain all the things that you would normally see, I apologize. But like I say, all I really want to say is condolences to that person's family, and I'm sorry that this happened. So a little bear meat burrito bowl for dinner. Thanks to my buddy Chris for sharing his bear meat with me. I have to say it's very good. Just kind of tastes like beef, to be honest. Just about stood on her hair. Scared the bejesus out of me. But it's, well, it's been a good trip. It's been nice. It was a beautiful day yesterday. It's a beautiful morning. It's very calm, very still. I didn't do half the things I wanted to do or had planned to do on this trip, but you know what, given the circumstances, I'm just very, very grateful to be out here, and there's always next week. So now I have my camera back. I'll be back to posting on a regular basis, so that means regular trips. And yeah, I look forward to keep bringing you guys along. So as always, I will see you on the next one. Take it easy.